I don't have any buttons set up. I don't even know what's going on. Hey guys. I hope the sound balance is okay. And guess what? For the first time in forever, literally forever, Pedro's working. Like, oh crap. I forgot. I have the wrong ID. I'm using the wrong ID. I'm using my ID, not... How do I change that? I need it to be the other Twitch ID, I think. Oh, it's because of auth! When I do OAuth, I OAuth as myself, not as the other account. Okay, let's restart Pedro. I need to log out. When I had the other machine, I was... Yeah, it does. What's it called? Pedro GPT? I am Pedro GPT? Oh gosh. Hey! How you doing, button? I just turned off Pedro, I'm sorry. Because I want it to talk from the other account, not from me. And that's one of my What, Lulu? What, Lulu? What, Lulu? Boo. Happy Halloween. Was it I am Pedro GPT? What is it? Oh, there it is. You will just give me like 5 seconds. I'm just petty and I don't want it to be myself that's talking. Log out. Log in. That's because this is the username. Log in. Okay. Okay, now it's the right one. You could, just a second, you can break things. Oh, didn't I remove you? Todd's gonna build me a CLI to deploy my Kubernetes, so I'm not doing that anymore. I just run everything on servers. Yeah. There we go. That's what I wanted. Pedro's live. Lulu! Oh, you stink pot. Okay, so here we go. Can Pedro mine Bitcoin? Pedro does not have enough memory to mine Bitcoin. Here's the thing. I got this dashboard built. I do not have any alerts set up. So I need to set up alerts, but there's no point to setting up alerts if it we can't have a threshold. Yeah. I guess is where I'm at with that. AI created this dashboard for me. This was a Claude Code thing. So all you have to do is use the word Pedro or and then talk to it. It's also hooked up to my Discord. So you can go to Discord and in any channel just talk to Pedro. And it should give commands for that too. And then it's also hooked up to VLLM. So I want to call VLLM LLVM so bad because they're the same letters. So we should be able to measure things like tokens per second, etc. Oh, sweet. Why did you not do a web search on that, Pedro? Yeah, I want to DDoS Pedro. I want to, we need to make sure we can get Pedro breaking. Then I can go set up, I'm going to be setting up some Discord webhooks. And so hopefully we can get some good usage today. Tomorrow I'll run it with alerts, essentially. And that should be my entire Go West talk. So is what I'm gonna do for my GoWest talk. I'm gonna tell people go break Pedro, and then we're gonna talk about how we measured the brokenness of Pedro. Isn't that great? Oh, we got some failed messages from that was a while ago. 1,000 decimals. I have a pretty horrible Pedro also will do web search, so if you ask it something you don't know, like what is the latest article from the New York Times? Did it lose context? It didn't lose context, but it didn't trigger an action. So it always has a 10 message history. But it did not, it only triggers from the word Pedro. Why would I cover dividing by 0? Oh, I said that is pedo, which is... Oh, and that's perdo. It only... See, 1 second, I'll look that up for you. That should trigger a web search. So, that's good. We're running a pretty low quantized model, and I switched from Llama C++ to VLLM, so I don't know how many things it can handle concurrently on this current hardware setup. Previously, it could handle about 4 requests concurrently. It's just going to keep giving you the same thing. It's not... Pedro doesn't execute anything yet. Memory usage, no data. I don't know what that is. What did you just have Pedro do? Do you think it'll keep doing it? It'll only do it for 10 messages though. Oh, it did. It only has that knowledge for 10. The host is who I listen to. That's good. Okay, so that's just straight up a count of the metric itself. Pedro doesn't know, but it buffers 10 messages. So it always has the last 10 messages of history. Interesting that we're not getting any more LLM response rate. Oh, because this is just pulling it from my stuff. It's not pulling it. It's not pulling them from The other metrics. First riddle, why did Golang go to the doctor? Because its symptom had a I don't get it, a fever. So I should be able to go to P metrics. Oh, and I need to throw the port on there. Here we go. Because, like, this success rate should be not based on this. It should be based on these metrics. I think Pedro's just going to always talk like that. Why do I write in a prog and go? I write a prog in Golang because it was a strange dream. That was his 8th response. Interesting. Yeah, that should be right. So it takes... It's not a total length. So it should be the last 10 user sent messages. I mean, yes, but that's closer to infrared, Pedro. Because Pedro thinks... because it's only written like that. Pedro only respond in Chinese. Okay. I don't know how to do this without AI. I'm the worst. Yeah, Pedro's not gonna know what my favorite anime is. It should have cleared, yeah. Invite... What? I'm so confused. Yes. Go Utah Grizzlies. Do the Utah Grizzlies even still play that now that we have the Mammoths? Pedro, Utah Mammoths are new. Look them up. Right? It's been a minute. The Grizzlies do, but do the Grizzlies still play? Is that what you're looking for? Yes, Pedro. Oh, the Grizzlies still play? That's crazy. Did you see that they broke ground on a new trading facility? I was trying to say where that was. I couldn't fit. Well, now, but they broke ground on a new ones. My hair's pink. Oh, I don't think it puts the web search back into total chat history. No, the leet speak never cleared. No, I'm not ready to do that. Oh. AI-powered jet system, yes. Yes. Try. Stop using Pedro. No more leet, please. It is too hard to read. You did break it. Like, you definitely broke Pedro. Because it didn't stop doing that. Oh my gosh. It's only listening to Nathan Button. What did I do? Comrade, what did you do? Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to wrap up what I was just doing, and then then I'll go back to adding more metrics. Do I miss my friends at Agility? Sure? I don't know. I mean, I always miss my friends, but I have way too much fun doing what I do at work, so. I've been having way too much fun at work. I'm trying to make a branch just for Friday. That's what the Claude was doing, and you can use agents to create context-specific experts. No, that's stupid. Oh, no worries. Thanks for wanting. I heard that somebody won a ticket. Did we get a failure? Not that I can tell. Pedro, why are you not responding? Because Pedro broke. So the web search per second, it was doing a couple of web searches. Looks like it, didn't ever finish that last one. So it's still working on it. Yeah, we need to tell Pedro to get its act together. Yes. I am not running a MacBook Pro with an Intel Core i9 processor. I'm on a Mac Studio. Oh, you want to know what Pedro's running on? Pedro has... Pedro's running on 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, NVIDIA RTX 5090, and an Intel... What was the Intel processor? I forget what the Intel processor is. That's what the model's running on with VLLM and Docker. Pedro, the Go app, is running on a B-Link mini PC with their 16 gigabytes of RAM. Not yet. And then I have a Mac Studio that I'm running on. We have Grafana JSON somewhere. Some of the charts aren't working, and I want you to replace them with metrics from VLM. Specifically, the charts that aren't working are LLM response distribution, memory usage, and total successful LLM responses. LLM success rate. Dear manager. LLM response distribution. Discord message rate. And I think this is because of lack of activity. Total LLM fail. LLM response. Total failed. Okay, all the LLM response stuff. Successful. Empty. And then failed. And then memory usage is also not working. This is the VLLM Prometheus stats. Oh, that's not going to pull anything in, because if I remember right, I did not fix that. So, yeah, the VLLMs should be broken, because this is a different endpoint now. These should still work. Okay. So if I go to this one, these are the Twitch metrics. And then, okay. These are Twitch metrics. And these are VLM metrics. Oh, see ya. What package for your server? Okay, so I have Pedro. I have Prometheus running on this machine. Bluetooth. Docker and Grafana, I believe. Okay. Docker stop Prometheus. Sudo docker stop Prometheus. Where is my Prometheus config? Hey Dev Patel, welcome back. That's what I want. Okay, where is it though? Found it. VLM is now a different device because I changed it to this Tailscale device. Some soccer style chants for GoWest. Specifically, they have to be UK style soccer chants. So now Docker run -d. Oh yeah, I fought with Grafana for a long time. I did. Oh, all I needed to do was sudo docker restart Prometheus. Oops. Okay, these two should be up. These are unknown. Well, it'll figure those out in a minute. Why do you keep saying connection error, Rugmat? How come Pedro's not ignoring the rules that Java stinks whenever Button talks? Do you have, like, secret codes? Make you think about soccer chants for Go West? Oh, Rugmatbot has a connection error. My sister's taking her kids to Disneyland this week. Her baby's 1, so he's not gonna remember a thing. Sorry, I don't know how to code without AI anymore. It really sucks. I just want to get these working, and since AI made them. Okay, all of my things are connected. Isn't that so nice? Yes, you should. You should definitely punish your vacuum robot for that. Oh, should it be more than one dashboard? Should it be more than one dashboard? That's a good question. What do you mean, what do I need to do? Yeah. Okay, so I need to go over to Grafana. Settings. Wait, no, it says I can go back to dashboard, exit, edit. No. I can just, like, import a new dashboard. That's what I did last time. Where's the file? Deployment Pedro Grafana dashboards. Three focus dashboards, yes. Yeah, in a minute. You can do that later. We can do that when we're not on stream. Deployment Grafana dashboard. Overwrite. Look at that. We have memory usage working. We have M-to-M response latency. We have time to first freaking token. Oh. This still isn't working, and neither's that. Let's go play success rates. Only 61 calls. This is amazing. This is all I ever wanted. Like, I don't even think you guys know. Separate all tabs. Let's see if Pedro's any good at 20 questions. We're using a new model. We're using, it's not actually new. It's the same size. It's it's an 8B, 8 billion parameter, whatever. If this model's any good at 20 questions. Is the thing you're thinking of a living thing? Yes. You're not allowed to discuss Java. That is correct. Yes, it's a mammal. No. It is not a cat. Yes. It lives on land. It doesn't do 20 questions well with chat because of the 10 message history. It does have a tail. No, it is not a carnivore. You thought it was a cat. It does eat plants. No, it does live around or south of the equator, right? The savanna is south of the equator, correct? No, it has... But India's north... Is India north of the equator? The parts of India that have elephants, is that north of the equator? Like, I don't know. Can I eat sand? No, it is not a primate. Primate. What is that? Camelidae? Is that like camel? It isn't a camel-like thing. Mud pies. No. No. Not close. Different continent. I didn't know llamas and alpacas were like cousins. Guanaco. No, it is not domesticated. It's never gonna guess elephant. This version of Pedro's stupid. No, it is not a member of the Camelidae family. And it does not live in mountains. It's an elephant. Pedro could never be mad at me. Nathan Button just got mad. Button just said I was bad mouthing Pedro. Oh, it is an elephant. No, it is an elephant. It is an elephant. It was always an elephant. I just can't spell. All elephants. I never said it wasn't an elephant. I am thinking of an elephant. No, I don't think you can start a new game from this chat. Do we have any Discord response? See, we still aren't getting Discord messages. Do we have metrics for Discord? That would be HTTP blue 1 6060/metrics. Yes, we do have metrics for Discord. But it doesn't look like we are doing any Discord messages specifically. Okay. Good to know. I don't have... So this will never work. Looks like Prometheus is using the most memory. Oh, the KV cache went down. Oliphants! Good call. Pedro, where did... Pedro, what do you know about oliphants? I 100% think it was J.R.R. Tolkien that originated the oliphant. Okay, good to know that I don't have any metrics for Discord. What were you doing? That's great. Yes. I want 3 different dashboards for V, LLM, Pedro, Twitch, and Pedro. Discord. Also, I am noticing we don't have any Discord specific. What are taters, precious? Have you seen Button? Do you have any Lord of the Rings Legos? Have. Because the Minas Tirith one looks super cool. But it's just leaks. I have... Your brother-in-law has them all? Took me a minute to figure out what a bill was. They do take up a lot of space. Like, it's currently my entire bedroom is dedicated to Lord of the Rings Legos. I don't know where I would, I don't know where I would put them. If I got Minas Tirith. I have a Christmas sweater with taters on it. I don't think that's... I don't think you're going to execute a web search that way. Pedro. I think you have to... I don't think my current workflow does that way you're thinking. I think it has to start with execute web search. Pedro, so you're a little bit off. No, it has, Pedro. You have to start the message with the... Clearly... That's... Pedro, that started with an emote. That also started with an emote. Okay, I don't know why those last ones didn't work. Yes. Should we keep track of different Discord commands as well? Like, ask Pedro versus stump Pedro. Yeah, Pedro's stuck in a loop, definitely. Okay, so it saw yours button. That was the last one it saw before this one. So it's almost working. I should be pulling in how many Go routines I have running. Look at it going with the execute web search. That's why I have a branch over here. To make web searching a tool call. So that it doesn't have to rely on the stupid words, because it's clearly not doing that well. That way, the model just knows it can respond with JSON and execute that tool call instead of having me do it. Oh, I want the Prometheus labels. Like... Do you use Prometheus for your metrics button? We use Datadog, and it's just very different from what I'm used to. Well, I don't know. I feel like I only ever did. It looks good to me, Stack. Yes. That's... Oh! Speaking of, do you get early access to hardware where you work? I'm not going to tell anybody where you work. I was just wondering, do you get early access? I got an email today for my NVIDIA Sparks. Dang it. So I got email today for the Sparks that I pre-ordered a while ago. That Chris, I don't know if you ever talked to Chris Brousseau. He got an email 2 weeks ago, and he said he was going to get it. That then they're like, yours are shipping. Oh, nice. So you get a discount on hardware, but not early access. Could be worse. So I ordered 2. I pre-ordered 2 of them, thinking they wouldn't be ready until next year, and then they're like, here you go. It's been a while since I bought something when I didn't have money for them. I mean, I do have money in savings. Yeah, MSRP. So yeah, I just dropped $8,000 on hardware that may never get shipped to my house. So then I'll have two new AI computers. They're supposed to be better. They're supposed to have a better GPU than the 5090, I think. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Yeah, they are. So, D-Scoo, you should know that Mariah dropping $4,000 on a computer is par for the course with this year. I dropped $4,000 on my 5090 PC because I could, and then I dropped $4,000 on my Mac Studio because it had an M3 in it, and now I'm like, give me 2 GGX Sparks right after I dropped $1,500 on a new network setup. Like, whatever. Ooh, let's ask Pedro. Pedro, what do you know about the DGX? Oh, that Pedro wouldn't know because that Pedro doesn't have web search. What's a Jetson? Okay, remind me what the Jetson is. Anyway, so it'll be really funny if I get... Oh, I do know Pedro, I do know NVIDIA Pedro... Embedded systems, yeah, I know what the NVIDIA Jetson is. Sometimes I'm just stupid. See, Pedro didn't even have to Google that. Okay. Pedro, how do I get an NVIDIA DGX? Have the Nano and the AGX Orin? I don't know what those are. Those are... Oh, killer! Oh, I think... Okay, I see. Jetsons. I think Clint has those. I think Clint got some of those for his Forge cluster that he thinks he's going to build. Okay, it's not a DGX A100. Well, I think it is. I think they have A100s in them. Yeah, Raspberry Pi looking things. Clint has like 4 Jetsons that he hasn't go into a single board. So. But you also got a 5090, right? And you're gonna build your thing with that. It's so fun. Building AI hardware is so fun. Do I use it for anything besides Twitch streams? Absolutely not. I should. Pedro, 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 praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Thank you, Mezidz. I'm bad with names. Thanks for that follow. Today we're just trying to break Pedro, and then I got distracted and had Pedro start doing Discord metrics. I noticed that in my metrics dashboard, I'm not getting any Discord metrics, and I was like, why am I not getting Discord metrics? And it turns out I'm not sending Discord metrics. So if I were to go over here to my metrics, this one is Discords. I'm pretty much only sending them when I make Twitch calls. It's what I'm getting at. So then I made AI do it. Because I don't know how to code without AI anymore. I need to do better. I don't think I could code this week, man. With GoWest, like I am so here. I don't think I could get anything done without AI. It's just my anxiety is on another level. Golang themed techno beats? Should we make a Golang EDM? If I was a DJ. Pedro, that's not the end message. Did you forget how to end a game? We should. Wouldn't that be crazy? Oh, all local. I'm hosting. So this is a VLLM running over here. This is my newly minted. It's not a new server. I've had it for a while, but it was running Windows. And yesterday I got so mad at Windows that I said, screw you. And I installed Ubuntu. No WSL, all Windows. So this is my machine running VLLM. This is my machine that's running the Go applications that talk to VLLM. So we have Twitch Go app, and then we have no, I don't want to do that. We have our Discord connection, our Twitch Go app, and this is our Keep Alive server. This lets me know if anything goes down because I have had multiple issues where I wanted to start something and it's like, oh, I can't connect to Llama C++. And I'm like, why? And it's like, well, because WSL is stupid, and that's why it's not in WSL anymore. And then over here, this machine, this is my other mini PC. This is, oh gosh. Mariah needs to fix this. Seriously. We should just make it. I didn't type that wrong any of those times. Okay, that was... There we go. We have Prometheus and Grafana running over here. And here... It won't have any metrics, by the way, because I'd have to rerun everything. But I'm pretending to create metrics for Discord. Get the big... What? Wake... What? What do you mean? What is wake on LAN? I don't know what that means. I don't want Pedro to turn off when I'm not using it. I want Pedro to be on all the time so that people can go to Discord and be like, I always only ask Pedro because I know that if I ask Pedro, nobody will get my data. Because none of this data is going to be used for training. I'll tell you that. It's all hot garbage. Are you sending a packet to your computer? They've been discontinued. What model am I using? I am using Hugging Quant's Meta Llama 3.1. It is an 8 billion. I tried to get the 7 billion parameter running for like 4 hours, and it's like, you don't have enough RAM. VRAM. It needed 30 gigabytes, and my 32 gigabytes apparently was not appropriate. It was so annoying. So I'm using Llama 3.1, 8 gigabytes. And I'm frustrated about it. If you can't tell. Ooh, do you think we should say what model we're using? Do you think, was that one of the things we could pull off of here? Yeah. See how they have the model names pulled throughout all of these? We should definitely add that. Make sure to add the model name to the Grafana dashboard for VLLM. I have never made a Grafana dashboard before, so I definitely am like, and I need it for my talk on Friday. That's the real reason why I'm having AI do it, is because I need it for my talk on Friday. I'm giving a talk. Yeah, it is sexy. I agree with that. I'm giving a talk on Friday about AI observability for not AI observability, but mostly like AI application observability. And so it's like the things you need to know to debug software that uses AI. That's essentially what we're going to do. And like the exercise is essentially kind of what we're doing today. I want them to break Pedro. Pedro has not been broken yet, despite Button's attempts. Well, actually, you got it to write leet speech for like 20 messages, so you did kind of break it. But I want to get it to the point where I can fire some alerts. So we want to get response rate like really high. We want the message rate to drop. And stuff like that. If we could get time to first token to be like too long or something, like that would be ideal for me. And then, so I need to, so today and tomorrow, we'll be streaming to try and get that right. So today I just mostly wanted to get alerts running. We should, that was the intent. Can we do a load test on it? But when you only get 6 viewers at a time, what's a load test, right? Rugmat had a bot he wrote to just send Twitch messages over and over. So we can definitely load test with that. And I can also make scripts to load test my VLLM machine. But since I'm only running an 8 billion parameter model, it should be relatively fast. because the smaller the model, the faster it is typically. But it's been doing really good, this model. Yeah, so I'll get some alerts set up. The alerts go to my Discord channel, so they will go here. So I do have some alerts set up here. Like, this is just to tell me if something's not connecting. But we'll get some alerts set up to with Grafana that'll let me know. And we'll test those out tomorrow. I'll have a little bit better of a strategy for that with a load test. I mean, I'll probably have some scripts. It's really easy. To just throw things at VLLM. So, like, just with curl and whatnot. So I'll probably just do that. And see if I can get some of these things to, like, explode. We should get, and yeah, see if I can get the VLLM cache and stuff like that. Essentially what I want to get is I want to get a couple of latency responses. So here, I want the response rate per second to essentially spike. I want it to be a couple... well, not that. I guess I want it to take like probably a couple seconds to respond, and then the time to first token, I want that to jump essentially. If we could get the P50 to be, you know, around 250 milliseconds, that would be ideal. That's kind of where I want to go. With that. But you do that, I will play it at GoWest. No joke, because there's no copyright on your music, right? I will get it played at GoWest. I have somebody doing AV, so can you suggest some alerts to set up from this dashboard? I think I added some alerts I wanted to the README. Yeah, somebody told me once to use AI to write prompts for AI. I think that's crazy. Why doesn't this have data? So failed gen LLM comes from, not you, from 61. Did you see my post in All Things AI Looking? No, are you talking? Oh. Using planning? Oh, your cursor prompts. So I do plan mode in Claude Code a lot. Oh, nice. Use markdown files for that? That's super cool. Yeah, I do. Yeah, AI writing prompts is something that I've experimented with just a little bit. just because I don't write a ton of prompts, and I mostly use Claude Code, not Cursor. I didn't know you could do... I've never used Cursor. I've never opened it up once because I'm the worst. And I hate anything that's not in the terminal. So I mostly just do planning. Yeah. Okay. So it wants it to do the 95 yeah, that's fine. Pedro's losing too many games. That would be awesome. A high memory for GoBot, yeah. No, we're just gonna do one channel. I just want one channel. Make an... Yeah, Pedro, why are you not talking like a pirate? So we should see failed LLM gen. Okay, so failed LLM gen's just 0. So that's why we're getting nothing here. So we're getting an LLM empty response. Like essentially it's trying to... It's VLLM total request with the finished reasons stopped. So okay, so it's 25 divided by 25, so it's 1 right now, essentially plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so that's why that's putting it as 0. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's fine. I don't know how to change that. Like it looks accurate to me, right? Cuz it's going this is 25 and then these are both 0, so it's saying 25 divided by 25 times 100, which is just the full gauge. These ones aren't posting because they don't exist. These are both 0, so that's working. KB cache is probably 0. Yeah, like, I think everything's working correctly. Yeah, Pedro. What's the best thing about writing software, Pedro? Can you please, like, give me more context? I never seen Jersey Shore. So I don't even know. Control Alt beer. So is that like a non-alcoholic beer? Pedro does not know what humor is. So I did ask a question, but can't spell your name. Sorry, Pedro. And that is why AI writes all my everything now. I'm like, AI writes like 2/3 of my Slack messages because I can't spell. It's just too hard. Pedro, did you know I run GoWestConf and that it is on Friday? Will bots replace the human? Pedro, how would you get everyone hyped for my conference? Go's not lame, Lemon. Go's still the same. Rust is lame. Like, dude, zig over Rust. Like, everybody knows that it goes way easier to write than Rust. Plus, I'm not even writing. It's just a Go conference. We made the cutest little gopher plushies. I'm so excited. Even though I do have my fair share of complaints about AI. Yes, this week I am. I almost exclusively write Claude at work. It's so fast. My goal is to not do it on stream, but I can't code this week. My brain is mush because of my conference, like on Friday, so last week. I mean, I've always been the AI. I wrote code last week. I just have never done Grafana before. I haven't written code in 8 months. Because AI writes your code, or because, like, other things? Oh, you spend $2K a month on AI? Well, that'll do it. That'll definitely do it. Claude's not cheap. I had it running, so I have this thing. Over here. This is just a Raspberry Pi I have running. It's connected to my phone. And oh, I shouldn't have done that. Vim crush config crush JSON. I need to change this. So I use this to write code for my phone, essentially. And that's no, I don't have a foldable phone. I just have an iPhone. But the goal is what was my model again? No, but because it's just an AI prompt. With Crush. Where you are? There you are. Because it's just AI prompt with Crush, I can were you using Opus with Crush? Like, you'll spend money doing that with Opus on Crush. I spent like $20 on a demo with Crush. Oh! Okay, so you did GPT OSS with Crush. Not, my friend did Kimi 2 with Crush. He said he enjoyed that. Die by Claude. No, Pedro did not do a good job of that. Here is a Crush button. It's like Claude, but it's made with Charm. No, right now it's. So this is using my local model. Oh, I shouldn't. I should be in talks. No, Claude, they've put a lot of work into it with MCP. But it's pretty, I don't know. This is really nice for my phone. Because, yeah. Pedro has mod powers, but I told it it's not allowed to use exclamation points, so it can't do anything. In Grafana to be sent to Discord. Oh, dang it. Oh, well. Okay, first of all, those are both set. Second of all, tool parser is set to Hermes, I think. Anyway, yeah, this is why I've been fighting with VLLM and that for a long time. I don't... Does Pedro have terminal access? Hell no. Pedro barely has tool calls. That would be really cool, though. I did want to get Pedro to do code reviews for me. That was one thing I really want to do. But I haven't been able to get past my conference. Oh, okay. Okay, let's set up the Discord webhook. Somebody, so Lemon, what's your thoughts on autocomplete with Claude? Do you turn on like plan mode and then let it go, or are you like me and have to accept every single thing it does? Because I do not. I am very mean. Have ads been bad? I haven't been paying attention to ads. They put so many metrics in here. This is crazy. Was I doing request duration? Did I have a request duration on here? End-to-end latency? Yeah, I did. Okay. I'm not even using the KV cache? Crazy. Yeah, Pedro, nobody's even asking you questions. I also need to get crossing my feet. I don't know if I'm going to get this done. I don't know. Check out a new branch first. What? I wonder what this point was where it had like so many tokens. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours? An hour and 30 minutes? Okay, yeah. I should set this up. Hey, baby. Okay, I go to my Discord channel. And then I go to settings. Oh. I didn't know you could do that. Unlock with boosting. Yeah, I know I can unlock with boosting. I have to make more money before I was gonna boost. Integrations. 0 connected accounts? Why don't I have a Twitch integration? That's ridiculous. Create webhook. That's what they said to do. Okay, and it goes to Pedro. Copy webhook URL. Okay, I did that. Okay, it says go to alerts and IRM alerting. Save dashboard. I don't know what I did. Go to alerts. No, I was supposed to be here, right? No. No. Okay, I missed something. Nope, that wasn't right. Wait, no, contact point. Okay, so rule name. View or create contact points. This is what I needed to do. Add contact point. Discord. Paste. Test. Oh, this will be Pedro. What do you mean they're offline? No, they're online. Right? Well, clearly my alerts are broken. That didn't work. Oh, it did work. Yes, we did it. Choose a template. Yeah, I'm good with that. Alerts firing. Oh, I can't edit that. Okay. And then we save contact point. Okay. Then we go to rules. Separate out tabs. I go to rules, editor, create new rule. Done. Pedro test. Okay. Scroll down to configuration and labels. We add our contact point. Cool. Cool. We can do... I want to get tagged. Well, and now that everything is on SSH, I can do it all from my phone theoretically, so... Sweet. I can fix anything on the go. I'm gonna run out of tokens here in a minute. So if I were to save this, what am I missing? Oh, I don't have a folder. Okay. What is a folder? Folders are used for storing alerts. You can extend the access provided by a role to alerts and assign permission. The evaluation groups are containers for evaluating alert and recording rules. An evaluation group defines an evaluation interval, how often a rule is evaluated. Alert rules within the same evaluation group are evaluated the same evaluation interval. Pending period specifies how long a threshold condition must be met for alerts to start firing. That's what that one's called. No, it can do that once the condition is met, but I just... I don't know what I did with that group, but it seemed like none was the best option for me. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I have a group name now. Cool. So now I have to do the ones that Claude built for me. I have a lot of PRs I need to look at. And like, yeah. Oh, did I have another one that I pushed up? Or did I merge it recently? Nope. I'm missing one. No, these two I took care of. Okay, so this is the only one. Oh, and then the Go West one. They obviously didn't push up the Go West one. Oh, nice. Alert rules. How do you... I don't want to change that until I get the Discord stuff running. Should I just run that branch and see if I can get some Discord alerts? Yeah, let's do that. That's the wrong one. Although I would love to do that one. Everyone says use Control R, and I'm like... Oh, that's the one I want. I never get the search to work. You could do Control R, and then it always searches something else. I built it on latest, right? Sweet. I do have a fix that will allow me to just pull it from the GitHub container registry. I'm not there yet. That happened last time too, where it like said it deleted it and then didn't delete it. wrong, no. Wrong model. Also, wrong path. There we go. And then how do you go? I know, I spent a lot of time with you. There we go. That should be the right everything. And now when I go over to the metrics, for this sucker, I should see Discord specific metrics. Good. And I move these over to config. This is even better. Are these duplicates? Grafana Twitch dashboard. And 437. Yeah, these are duplicates. Import. Did I do Twitch or Discord the other time? So now we should have Discord, new dashboard. Nope, go back. Discord, yeah. And Twitch. Okay. So with VLM metrics, we have KB cache, waiting response. With AI observability, we have Discord metrics, which has no data, right? We didn't this didn't have anything before. And then we have connection status, Twitch messages, memory usage. Some of these still don't work. But we weren't... Pedro hasn't been active for a minute, so... So now if I go to learning rules... I had this open. Why did you think you could give me a YAML? Since I don't like doing Google search. Thanks, Claude. I don't know why I don't like doing Google search anymore, but I don't. What? Well, go ask ChatGPT then. They don't have a limit. I told you that that Claude was gonna tell me I was done. And it totally did. Import Grafana managed rules. No, don't delete. Don't delete my point of contact. So if I go to rules, I go to new rule. I don't think that's an option here. Uh-huh. You can't do was that something that we could do on the free version? Enterprise open source. Okay, so you can do it on the free version. Yeah, Prometheus YAML rules file. Go alerting rules, navigate to... Okay. Alerting. Manage rules. Add new data source managed rule accordingly. No. Oh, that's a recording rule. That's different. Alerting. Manage alert rules. Manage footage. No. I don't want a new alert manager. I want to delete that. No, we don't have any new... We only have the one data source. And that's the Prometheus setup. Import to Grafana. Okay, so in the data source managed rules, which was in the rules section, in the data source managed, okay, save. Oh wait, but this was in recording rule. Okay, I'm just gonna call it a Grafana rule. Okay. Okay. So now, in Grafana Manage, which we have here, edit rule, no, export copy link, one normal. It said there should be a way to import to a Grafana, right? That's what it said. Yeah, well, I'm the admin, so I have all the permissions. Navigate to Data Source Managed Rules Alert section and click Import Grafana Managed Rules. I didn't see that. Oh, look. Okay, so I can export them. Can I edit them? No. Data source Prometheus. Add new rule. Okay, I keep clicking add new rule and it never shows me this magical import button. No, go back. I feel like... Oh, code. And that's PromQL code. I feel like I should be able to just, like, obviously see this. Is there like a YouTube video or something? Yes, this one.
Hi, I'm Ryan Keogh, and I'm excited to talk to you today about all the great changes we've made in Grafana Alerting leading up to Grafana 12. Grafana Alerting is a powerful and flexible engine that allows users the ability to customize the data source queries. For new users, these options can be daunting. They're simply coming in and looking to make a basic CPU or storage alert. We've moved a lot of these options that are not commonly used under the advanced options slider. Users have the ability to select multiple data sources, as well as multiple expression steps and recovery thresholds for their alert rules.
Look, right there.
Another area that...
Did you see that? So if I went here, edit, cancel, add new alert, when it clicked advanced on one of these, it had an import option. Where was he? Will you get rid of that? Configure notifications.
A lot of these options that are not commonly used under the advanced options slider. Users have the ability to select...
See, rule type under add query, Grafana managed or not. See, I don't have that under rule type. So these are Grafana managed. Yeah. Why is that not there anymore?
Looking to move to Grafana Managed Alert rules for the enterprise features, or you're a Grafana Managed Alert user looking to copy out of the box.
See, there isn't an alert
rules,
in IRM. Am I on the wrong? Look, is it just like an old version of Grafana or something? No, it said I was on the latest Grafana. What version of Grafana am I on? Yes. No, I'm not using the Prometheus Alert Manager. Yeah, we're just using this one. This is the only thing I want to use. I don't know. I feel like really dumb right now. How do I delete that rule? I don't have import alerts as an option. Did these set up as PromQL queries at some point? No. Oh yeah, they are. Oh. Brother-in-law's FaceTiming me. Are you in your hotel?
What?
I asked if you're in your hotel.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, I'm trying to make some alerts.
Nice.
What's up?
Is it cold?
I was cold earlier.
Oh. Mia. Mira. Ven.
Mia, where are you?
I'm coming. This is Emma.
I'm sorry, Emma.
What?
She's tired.
Oh, shit. Look, Sam. Uh-oh, who's on the... Sammy, looky. Look.
He says, I got a thing though, Grandpa.
Mia, look.
Hi, Mia.
What the heck?
Instant intervals. Hi, Sam. Okay, I think that's it. And then I do a threshold alert.
You should do it. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one. Okay. Mia, Titi.
Hi. Hi, Sam. I heard that. I don't know how to set that up. Cool. I think we should do our poll to see. Hi, Sam Sam. See who we should raid. Hi, Sam. Because it's 5:30. I'll get this stuff set up tonight, and we can do alerts tomorrow. Hi, Sam.
We found a dental floss.
Oh, good, Sam.
Those are grandma's glasses, Tom.
Okay. If you want to go somewhere else, just put them in the chat. Are we deploying Grafana? We have Grafana deployed. I'm just trying to set up rules, and I have this YAML file that Claude helped me set up, and I'm on Twitch, Grandma.
I assume so.
And I don't know how to import it because I'm dumb.
Want me to hang up?
I mean, yeah.
Okay. Love you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
My brother-in-law likes to chat, and I don't know what to do about that. It looks like my Twitch chat hasn't updated in a minute. I've missed a bunch of things. Pedro liking cat videos. I just didn't even see. Should we check out our new dashboards while we're here? So we do have new dashboards. So we should now see total messages received, messages sent, memory usage for just this app. This does not look like it's working well. We're not doing any web searches. We should be able to have some, that was still Twitch, some Discord metrics where we do have their memory usage, but 20 questions, that one just has a lack of stuff, and we've got our VLLM interactions, so. But yeah, I'm definitely missing that. If nobody votes, I get to choose who we raid. That's how it works. And yeah, we'll have all this stuff set up for when we get our DGX Spark, so then we can do comparisons in Grafana, right? That'll be super nice. Still running. Skipping bot message. In Discord? Oh yeah. Oh, why does it have it set that it's firing on localhost? And then we clearly have some alerts. I need to silence. No, like, it's resolved. Because this is just a test rule that I want to get rid of. Like, how do I get rid of alert rules? Okay, so now we have no groups and no rules. Okay. Nobody voted. Cool. I'm just gonna start a raid. I will do these. I'm gonna grab some dinner and I'll mess with those rules, and we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll check them out. Ooh, Theo. Let's raid Theo. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll get the alerts running. Thanks everybody for hanging out. I'll post when I'm live again. Peace out.